Wish you had more USB ports? Aduro 4-port car charger adapter charges 4 devices simultaneously. Works for USB-powered devices such as iPhone, Samsung, iPad. Smart charge technology maximizes both compatibility and charging speed, with LED lights to confirm charger is properly connected. We designed this quad-car charger adapter with advanced full aluminum alloy body and safe anti-overheat features to the UL standard. Aduro car charger USB cigarette lighter splitter adapter provides powerful output of 5.2A max with smart IC charge technology. Why choose Aduro? Because we back our USB car charger with a lifetime limited warranty and friendly 24/7 US customer service, so you can buy it with confidence and have complete peace of mind. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Used in my car to hook up Sirius XM radio and to charge iPhone and iPad.